Listen, totally forgot about this. I gotta get this thing at the gym. It's pretty important. Can we make this quick?
Sure.
Ah! Hey! Hey! I'm talking to you! What the hell is wrong with you?
Said you were in a hurry.
So you pushed me off the bridge?
I emptied your mind.
You what?
I emptied.
No,
your
you
mind.
didn't. You threw me into the river.
And while you were falling, tell me, Dan, what were you thinking about?
I don't know.
Were you thinking about school?
No!
Grocery shopping?
No!
This thing you had to hurry off to?
No, I was...
Present. Devoted 100% to the experience you were having. You even had a word for it. Ah!
You're out of your mind, you know that?
It's taken a lifetime of practice.